Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. From this particular video, we'll be starting the full-fledged problem in salary chapter. So these type of problems can be asked for section C questions, full-fledged problems. Srimati Savita, an employee of Hindustan Lever Limited, Delhi, received the following incomes during the year ending 31st March 2023. Basic salary up to 31st of 8th, that is August. So till 31st August, she has got 12,000 per month, and after August, she has received 12,500 per month. DNS pay is 30,000 per month. DNS allowance, it is 15,000 per month. It does not constitute into retirement benefits. So DA is not entering into retirement benefit. Next, children educational allowances. So 250 per month for one child, she is getting children education allowances. Reimbursement of medical expenses, that is 6,500. The treatment was taken in private hospital. So the whatever the medical expenses is there, they are reimbursing it. Srimati Savita had been provided with rent-free flat at Delhi. Rent paid by the company is 80,000 per annum. RFA, this thing, rent-free accommodation, you have to we have to taken into consideration. Facility of watchman and cook provided, each of whom is paid 700 per month as salary. So for watchman, they are giving 700 per month. For cook, they are giving 700 per month. Interest-free loan for purchasing home appliances, it is 1,20,000. The date of loan borrowed is 1/4/2022, and assume SBI lending rate of for similar loan on 1/4/2022 is 12% per annum. Always when you have taken certain loan, okay, they will always compare that with SBI loan rate. Determine salary income of Srimati Savita for the assessment year. This will be year 23-24. Assuming that she has paid 200 per month as professional tax. 200 is a professional tax. Okay. So now let us see how to solve the problem. So first is basic salary. So computation of basic salary. So so till August. So from April, May, June, July, August, 5 months, she's receiving 12,000 per month into 5 months. From August, she is receiving 12,500 per month. So 12,500 per month into 7. So because September, October, November, December, January, February, March, 7 months she is receiving 12,500. When you add both, it will be 1,47,500. Next, dearness pay. Dearness pay, they have told it is 30,000 per annum. So DNS pay, it is 30,000 per annum. DA they have given. This line is very, very important. It doesn't enter into retirement benefits. How much it is? 15,000. 15,000. Next, children educational allowance. How much she has given? For one child, she is getting 250 per month for one child into 12 months. It is 3,000. According to IT law, you will be getting an exemption up to rupees 100 for one child. So for one children, you will get the exemption up to 100 rupees per month. Maximum you can get for two children. But here only for one child she is getting children education allowance. So 100 rupees will be exempted. So 100 into 12 will be 1,200. So total she was given 3,000 as children education allowance. In that 1,200, if she is getting the exemption, remaining 1,800 will be taxable. Next, reimbursement of medical expenses. So 6,500. So that will be completely taxable. Next, she was provided a rent-free flat at Delhi. So Delhi is a state where the population is more than 25 lakhs. So that you should keep in your mind. And the rent paid by the company is 80,000 per annum. So now let us calculate RFA. So the purpose of calculating RFA, we will consider everything. That is basic salary plus allowances plus DNS pay plus what do you say, that is uh, all kinds of taxable allowances plus DNS pay entering into retirement benefits plus commission based on the turnover. So all these things, but we will not consider provident fund. Provident fund na consider ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Even leave salary will be taken into consideration. Okay. So first basic salary we have calculated, it is 1,47,500 plus allowances. What is the taxable allowances? It is children educational allowances. It is 1,800 plus commission is not there, plus DNS allowance, it is not entering into retirement benefits, so that will be not taken into consideration, plus DNS pay. So DNS pay is 30,000, so DNS pay we will consider. Okay, plus there is no leave salary, so total when you add it will be 1,79,300 rupees. So, for the purpose of calculating RFA, we will consider 15% of the salary or the rent paid, whichever is lesser. So, 15% of salary. What is the total salary? It is 1,79,300. For that 15%, if you calculate, it will be 26,895. Then the rent paid. Rent paid, they have given in the question that it is 80,000. Out of these two, whichever is lesser, 26,895 is lesser. So that will be considered as the taxable value. For that, you have to add if any furniture they have purchased. So they have not given any details about the purchase of furniture. So just ignore that. Next, hiring charges. There is no hiring charges also given. So ignore that. And any amount they have told that is deducted, even no amount is deducted from the employee's salary, so just ignore that also. So when you add total everything, it will be 26,895. So that will be taken into the computation table. See here, 26,895. Next, facility of watchman and cook provided, each of whom is paid 700 per month as salary. So for watchman and cook, two people are there. 700 per month is the salary. Two people are there. They have paid for 12 months. So the total amount will be 16,800. So interest free loan provided for purchasing home loan appliances. So 1,20,000 rupees is the loan she has received. And the similar loan, if it was taken in the SBI, okay, the interest rate was 12%. So we have to calculate 12% interest rate. It will be 14,400. When you add all these things, the gross salary will be 2,58,895. Again, you will get the deductions under section 16. So we have three kinds of deduction. So the first one is standard deduction, where 50,000 you will get. 50,000 is a standard deduction. And EA is for only government employees. The second deduction is for only government employees. So Miss Savita is not a government employee, so let us not bother about that. So the professional tax, they have told that she has paid 200 per month. So 12 months she has paid total 2,400. So that she will get as a deduction. So total deduction applicable is 52,400. So from 2,58,875, if we are giving a reduction of 52,400, the remaining taxable salary will be 2,06,495. The taxable salary is 2,06,495. So this is how the full-fledged problem will be asked. Hope you have understood this problem. If any doubt is there, you can put in the comment box. In my next further videos, I'll solve some more full-fledged problems related to